Ever wonder why the life of an Indian truck driver is so hard? They spend days, sometimes weeks, away from home, driving on dangerous highways, battling heat, hunger, and sleepless nights. But here's the shocking part. Most trucks come with AC systems, yet many transport owners disable them to save fuel. Drivers are left to suffer in cabins that feel like ovens under the burning sun, all for a few extra liters of diesel. No proper rest stops, no respect, just endless roads and survival.